Listen and practice English. Improve your English by listening to English conversation. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Asked from time to time. From time to time. From time to time. Good idea. Good idea. Good idea. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? How's work going? How's work going? How's work going? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I need to go home. I need to go home. I need to go home. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Of course. Of course. Of course. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're very nice. You're very nice. You're very nice. You're very smart. You're very smart. You're very smart. This is very important. This is very important. This is very important. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you please say that again? Can you please say that again? Can you please say that again? Do you believe that? Do you believe that? Do you believe that? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? How do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sick? Are you sick? Are you sick? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you think? What did you think? What did you think? What happened? What happened? What happened? What is that? What is that? What is that? What's up? What's up? What's up?